Good morning, everyone. Now we discuss reproductive system. Cockroach is dioecious. Dioecious means organism contain only one type of reproductive organ. Cockroach is dioecious or unisexual or sexes are separated. That means male and female cockroach. How can we distinguish male and female? Female abdomen is short and broad. Male abdomen is long and narrow. One difference. Another difference, anal styles are absent in female, anal styles are present in male. If anal styles are present, we identified it as male cockroach. Now we discuss the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system contain a pair of trilobed testes, 1, 2, 3. So, testis is in the form of 3 lobes. A pair of trilobed testes present from 4th to 6th abdominal segments. Testes are present from 4th to 6th abdominal segment. Testes produce and release spermatozoa. From the testes, a duct arises known as vas deferens. Vas deferens carry the spermatozoa. The two vasa deferentia plural, vas deferens singular. The two vasa deferentia run posteriorly and inwards, and these two unite. As a result, ejaculatory duct is formed. Ejaculatory duct is formed. On the ventral surface of ejaculatory duct, small vesicles. It is the dorsal. On the ventral surface of ejaculatory duct, several small spherical shaped structures are present known as seminal vesicle. From the ejaculatory duct, the spermatozoa enter into seminal vesicles. In the seminal vesicles, the sperms converted into spermatophore. What is spermatophore? Bundle of spermatozoa known as spermatophore. In cockroach, spermatophores are formed in the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are present on the ventral surface of ejaculatory duct. So, cockroach is dioecious. Dioecious or unisexual or sexes are separated. One and the same. So, how can we identify? What is the inner meaning? Dioecious means each organism contains only one type of reproductive system, like human beings, male human being, female human beings, in the same manner. So, what are the primary sex organs? Gonads. In female, ovaries, male, testes. So, in this manner, cockroaches are two types regarding reproductive system, female cockroach and male cockroach. Female cockroach, abdomen is short and broad. Male cockroach abdomen is long and narrow. Another difference, anal styles present in male cockroach, anal styles absent in female cockroach. Anal styles are unjointed thread-like structures arises from the 9th sternum in male cockroach. Now we discuss male reproductive system. A pair of testes, a pair of vasa deferentia, ejaculatory duct, mushroom gland, phallic gland, and gonophysis are the male reproductive organs. Testes, a pair of testes present from fourth to sixth abdominal segments. Each testis is in the form of three lobes. Is in the form of three lobes. Trilobed testis. Testis produce and release spermatozoa. The duct arising from the testis known as vas deferens. So two vas deferens. So plural is vasa deferentia. On one side one vas deferens, another side another vas deferens. So plural is vasa deferentia. Two vasa deferentia. Two vasa deferentia runs posteriorly and run inward and united. As a result, ejaculatory duct is formed. On the ventral surface of ejaculatory duct, several spherical shaped structures are present. That means the ejaculatory duct open into spherical shaped structures, namely seminal vesicles. In the seminal vesicles, the spermatozoa converted into spermatophore. Bundle of spermatozoa is known as spermatophores. So the spermatozoa converted into bundles in seminal vesicles. Next one, mushroom gland. Mushroom shaped axillary gland present in male cockroach in 6th and 7th abdominal segments. Mushroom gland contain two types of tubules: peripheral long tubule, central spherical tubule. The long tubules are known as utricular major. Yesterday also we discussed while discussing excretory system. Utricular major, also known as uricose glands, they store the nitrogenous waste material in the form of uric acid. During copulation, they sent out. Moreover, the secretion of utricular major form the inner layer of spermatophore. Spermatophore contain three layers. Inner layer bundle of sperm is known as spermatophore. The secretion of utricular major form the inner layer of spermatophore. Central spherical shaped tubules known as utricular brevure. The secretion of utricular brevure act as a nutrient for the spermatozoa. So act as a food for the developing spermatozoa. Next one, phallic gland. Phallic gland is another axillary gland. It also open near the male genital aperture. The secretion of phallic gland form the outer layer of spermatophore. The secretion of utricular major form the inner layer of spermatophore. Now the single layered spermatophore passing or travel through ejaculatory duct. The secretion of ejaculatory duct form the middle layer of the spermatophore. Now the two layered spermatophore deposited on the spermathecal region of female. At the time phallic gland release the secretion. The secretion of phallic gland form the outer layer of spermatophore. So in this manner, inner layer of spermatophore is formed from the secretion of utricular major. Middle layer of the spermatophore is formed from the secretion of ejaculatory duct. Outer layer of the spermatophore is formed from the secretion of phallic gland. Next one, gonophysis. Hook-like structures present around the genital aperture known as gonophysis. Male cockroach has three gonophysis. In male, gonophysis also known as palomeres. Palo means penis related to copulation. That's why palomeres. Three palomeres. Left palomere, right palomere, left palomere, right palomere, ventral palomere. Regarding their position, there are three types. Left palomere, present on the left side, right palomere and ventral palomere. Left palomere contains pseudopenis, and titillator. With the help of titillator, the titillator open the gonophysis of female during copulation. Right palomere contains serrate lobe and hook. Serrate means contain saw-like edges, serrate rough surface, and hook. Hook and serrate lobe are the part of right palomere. Pseudopenis and titillator are the part of left palomere. On the ventral palomere, male genital aperture is present. Male genital aperture present on the ventral palomere. So this is about male reproductive system. Once again, cockroach is dioecious. Dioecious also known as unisexual. Unisexual also known as sexes are separated. Each organism contains only one type of reproductive organs. That's why cockroaches are male cockroaches and female cockroaches. Male cockroach contain male reproductive, female cockroach female reproductive system. Male reproductive organs are a pair of trilobed testes, a pair of vasa deferentia, mushroom gland, conglobate gland or phallic gland, ejaculatory duct, male genital aperture, palomeres or gonophysis. So testes, a pair of testes present in 4th, 5th, 6th abdominal segments on the lateral side. Each testis is trilobed, 3 lobes. Testes produce and release spermatozoa. The duct arising from the testis known as vas deferens. The two vasa deferentia run posteriorly and inward. In 7th segment, they unite. As a result, ejaculatory duct is formed. Ejaculatory duct is formed due to union of two vasa deferentia. Ventral surface of ejaculatory duct contains several spherical shaped structures, means circular structures known as seminal vesicle. Ejaculatory duct opens into the seminal vesicles. In the seminal vesicles, the spermatozoa converted into spermatophore. What is spermatophore? Bundle of sperm. One spermatozoa head here attaches to adjacent spermatozoa. Means seminal vesicles release sticky substance. With the help of sticky substance, one spermatozoa attaches to another spermatozoa. In this manner, bundle of spermatozoa is known as spermatophore. Next one is mushroom gland. Mushroom shaped axillary gland present in 6th and 7th abdominal segment. It contains 2 types of tubules. Peripheral long tubules, utricular major. Central spherical shaped tubules known as utricular brevior. The utricular major secretion form the inner layer of the spermatophore. Utricular brevior nourishes the spermatozoa. The secretion of utricular brevior act as a food for the spermatozoa. While single layered spermatophore is passing or travel through ejaculatory duct, at the time the ejaculatory duct, wall of ejaculatory duct release some secretion. These secretion form the middle layer of the spermatophore. Finally, the two-layered spermatophore comes out of the male genital aperture during copulation, deposited on the spermatical region of female cockroach. Now the phallic gland release its secretion over the two-layered spermatophore. The secretion of phallic gland form the outer layer. Gonophysis, hook-like structures present around the male genital or female genital aperture known as gonophysis. In male, gonophysis also known as palomeres. 3 gonophyses present in male, and all the 3 are formed from the 9th sternum. The palomere present on the left side known as left palomere, the palomere present on the right side right palomere, the palomere present on the ventral surface ventral palomere. Left palomere contains pseudopenis and titillator. Right palomere contains hook and serrate lobe. So saw-like edges, serrate, hook and serrate lobe. Male genital aperture present on the ventral palomere. So this is about male reproductive system. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system contains a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, vagina, a pair of spermaticae, brood pouch, collateral gland, and gonophysis. Gonophysis. Ovaries. In female cockroach, a pair of ovaries present from 2nd to 6th abdominal segment. 2nd to 6th abdominal segment. Each ovary contains 8 tubules known as ovarioles. Known as ovarioles. Anterior part is known as germarium. Posterior part is known as vitellarium. The terminal part of all germaria unite. Filament-like structure is formed. The filament-like structure attaches to dorsal abdominal wall. Dorsal abdominal wall. Germaria containing developing ova. Vitellarium contain mature ova. So you already know 8 ovarioles. So vitellaria also 8. The posterior part of vitellaria unite. 8 vitellaria unite. 1 oviduct is formed. In the same manner, from another ovary also 1 oviduct is formed. The 2 oviducts unite. As a result, common oviduct is formed. Common oviduct also known as vagina. The vagina opens into brood pouch through an aperture known as female genital aperture. So ovaries, female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, vagina, female genital aperture, brood pouch, collateral glands, and gonophysis. Ovaries are present from 2nd segment to 6th abdominal segment. Each ovary contains 8 tubules known as ovarioles. The anterior part is narrow germarium, posterior part is wide vitellarium. Germarium contains a series of developing ova. Vitellarium contains mature ova. All the 8 vitellaria in the posterior end unite. As a result, oviduct is formed. The 2 oviducts unite. As a result, common oviduct is formed. Common oviduct also known as vagina. It opens into brood pouch through female genital aperture. Spermaticae. A pair of spermaticae present in 6th segment in female cockroach. Left one is spherical shaped structure. Right one is filament like. Right one is filament like. The 2 spermaticae open on the roof of the brood pouch through a common aperture. Next one, collateral glands. A pair of tree-like glands present. A pair of tree-like glands present above the brood pouch. They open into brood pouch, roof of the brood pouch through separate apertures. The secretion of collateral gland form the ootheca or egg case. Spermathecae, a pair of spermathecae present in sixth segment. Left one is sac-like, right one is filament-like. The two spermathecae open into roof of brood pouch through a common aperture. Posterior to opening of spermathecae, a pair of collateral glands are present. Tree-like glands contain several branches. The two collateral glands open on the roof of the brood pouch through separate apertures. The secretion of collateral gland form the egg case or ootheca. Next one, brood pouch. How brood pouch is formed? Brood pouch is formed from 7th, 8th, 9th sterna. Posterior part of 7th sterna is in the form of triangular plates known as gynovalvular plates. Gynovalvular plates. Posterior part of 7th sternum is in the form of two triangular plates, gynovalvular plates. Gynovalvular plates form the floor of the brood pouch. For example, it is the brood pouch. So contain floor, roof and sides. Gynovalvular plates means the 7th sternum form the floor and sides of the brood pouch. Floor and sides of the brood pouch. And 8th form the anterior part of the brood pouch. 9th form the roof of the brood pouch. In this manner, brood pouch is formed. I will show you. For example, it is the brood pouch. Gynovalvular plates form the floor of the brood pouch. Gynovalvular plates form the floor of the brood pouch and sides of the brood pouch. 8th sternum form the anterior part of the brood pouch. 9th sternum form the roof of the brood pouch. In this manner, a sac-like structure is formed. So that is brood pouch. Anterior part of brood pouch. Anterior part of brood pouch is known as gynatrium. Posterior part of the brood pouch is known as oothecal chamber. Fertilization takes place in gynatrium. Ootheca or egg case is formed in oothecal chamber. Gonophysis, hook-like structures present around the female genital aperture known as gonophysis. 6 gonophysis present in female. 3 gonophysis in male cockroach. 6 gonophysis present in female cockroach. The gonophysis help in copulation. The gonophysis of female also deposited the fertilized eggs in ootheca chamber. That's why they are known as ovipositors. Ovipositors. So once again, female reproductive system. Female reproductive system contain a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, common oviduct, female genital aperture, brood pouch, a pair of collateral gland, 6 gonophysis. Ovaries are present from 2nd to 6th abdominal segment. Each ovary contain 8 tubules known as ovarioles. Anterior part of ovariole is germarium. Posterior part is known as vitellarium. Germarium contain a series of developing ova. Vitellarium contain mature ova. Anterior part of germania of 8 germaria unite. A filament-like structure is formed. The filament-like structure attaches to dorsal abdominal wall. Posterior part of 8 vitellaria unite. Oviduct is formed. The 2 oviducts unite. Common oviduct is formed. Common oviduct also known as vagina. Vagina opens into brood pouch through female genital aperture. Spermathecae. A pair of spermathecae present in female cockroach. Left one is sac-like and right one is filament-like. The two spermathecae open into roof of the brood pouch through a common aperture. Posterior to opening of spermathecae, a pair of collateral glands present on the roof of the brood pouch. They resemble like tree, several branches. The two collateral glands release the secretion into roof of the brood pouch through separate openings. The secretion of collateral gland form the ootheca or egg case. Hook-like structures present around the female genital aperture known as gonophyses. 6 gonophyses present in female cockroach. A pair of gonophyses formed from 8th sternum. 2 pairs of gonophyses developed from the 9th sternum. In male cockroach, all the 3 gonophyses are formed from 9th sternum. Next one, brood pouch. Brood pouch is a sac or box-like structure. How it is formed? The posterior part of 7th sternum is in the form of 2 triangular plates known as gynovalvular plates. Gynovalvular plates. The 2 gynovalvular plates form the floor and sides of the brood pouch. 8th sternum form the anterior part of the brood pouch. 9th sternum form the roof of the brood pouch. In this manner, brood pouch is formed. Anterior part of the brood pouch is known as gynatrium. Posterior part of the brood pouch is known as oothecal chamber. Fertilization takes place in gynatrium. Egg case or ootheca is formed in oothecal chamber. So this is about female reproductive system. Now we discuss development of cockroach. Female during summer, it is a nocturnal. During night times in summer, the female release pheromones. Pheromones means ectohormones. Smell. Due to pheromones, the male cockroach are attracted and reach the female cockroach. So physical union of animal is known as copulation. Gonophyses of male and female help in copulation. During the process of copulation, the male cockroach release the spermatophores near the opening of spermathecae. Through opening of spermathecae, spermatophores enter into spermathecae. They are temporarily stored. So within few days, from each ovariole, 1 mature ova enters. In this manner, 8 mature ova into 1 oviduct and another oviduct also 8. In this manner, 16 ova enter into gynatrium. Now the spermatophore released from the spermathecae. So one spermatozoa fuses with one ovum. In this manner, so generally 14 to 16. Sometimes 7 only from the ovary, sometimes 8. So 7 or 8 mature ova released into the oviduct. Finally, in the gynatrium, 14 from each ovary 7 ova. So in this manner 2 ovaries. 7 to 8 ova enter into the gynatrium. So total 14 or 16 ova. So several spermatozoa, one spermatozoa fuses with one ovum. In this manner, 14 to 16 zygotes are formed in the gynatrium. Now some gonophyses collect the zygotes and deposited in the ootheca in 2 rows. So each row may contain 7 or 8. Total 14 to 16 fertilized eggs present in the ootheca. How ootheca is formed? Collateral glands release the secretion in the roof of the brood pouch. From the roof enter into the brood pouch. Now the gonophysis convert the secretion into a bag-like structure. In this manner, by the action of gonophysis only, the secretion of collateral gland converted into ootheca. Some gonophysis deposited the fertilized eggs or zygote in the oothecal chamber in 2 rows. Each row may contain 7 to 8. In this manner, each ootheca contains 14 or 16 fertilized eggs. In this manner, in the breeding season, in one season, the female release 9 to 10 ootheca. 9 to 10 ootheca. Ootheca are brown in color. Now the cockroach deposited the ootheca in warm, dark places. Within the ootheca, the zygote undergo cleavage. As a result, zygote undergo cleavage. Cleavage means division of the zygote is known as cleavage. As a result, zygote converted into morula, morula into blastula, developmental stages. So each zygote develop into larva. Larva is known as nymph. Why larva is known as nymph? The larval form except 4 characters only. The larval form exactly resemble like adult except 4 characters. Such larva is known as nymph. So nymph is white in color. Normal cockroach is brown in color. Nymph is small in size, millimeters only, but cockroach 4 to 5 centimeters large. Nymph is wingless. Wings are present in adult cockroach. Reproductive organs are rudimentary, developing in nymph. Well-developed reproductive organs present in adult cockroach. In this manner, nymph possess same characters like adult except 4. So, this type of such larva known as nymph. What is nymph? If larva show several similarities with adult, such larva are known as nymph. In case of cockroach, the nymph of cockroach differ from the adult only 4 characters. Nymph is white in color, adult cockroach is brown in color. Nymph is small in size, adult cockroach is 4 to 5 centimeter. Nymph is millimeters only, adult is 4 to 5 centimeters. Wingless, nymph is wingless. Wings are well developed in adult cockroach. Reproductive organs are developing stage in nymph. Well developed reproductive organs present in adult. Such nymph undergo 13 moltings. What is molting? Shed off, cast off or removal of outer layer of the body, that is cuticle, is known as molting. What is the need of molting? If cuticle is present, it restricts the growth. That's why nymph undergo molting. After molting, the size of the nymph increases. In this manner, after 13 molting, the nymph attain maximum size and develop into adult. This type of metamorphosis is known as parametabolous. Parametabolous metamorphosis. What is parametabolous metamorphosis? The nymph means larval stage show several similarities. Such larva develop into adult is known as parametabolous metamorphosis. Parametabolous metamorphosis seen in cockroach. Once again, in summer during night time, the female release pheromones, ectohormones, smell. For this smell, the male cockroach is attracted towards the female. Copulation occurs during summer, during night times. During the process of copulation, the male cockroach release spermatophores near the opening of spermathecae. Through opening of spermathecae, spermatophores enter into spermathecae and temporarily remain in spermathecae. Within few days, from each ovary, 7 to 8 ova enter into oviduct. In this manner, 14 to 16 ova enter into the gynaetrium. Now, the spermatophores from spermathecae released into gynatrium. One spermatozoa fuses with one ovum. In this manner, 14 to 16 zygotes are formed in gynatrium. Some gonophyses convert the secretion of collateral gland into a bag-like structure known as ootheca or egg case. Some gonophyses deposited the fertilized eggs present in gynatrium in the ootheca and arranged in 2 rows. Each row may contain 7 to 8. So each ootheca contains 14 to 16 fertilized eggs. The female can release 9 to 10 ootheca. The female deposited the ootheca in dark, safer, warm places. Within the ootheca only, the zygote undergo cleavage. Division of the zygote is known as cleavage and develop into larva. The larva show several similarities like adult. Such larva known as nymph. Nymph undergo 13 moltings. So cast of outer layer, shed of outer layer is known as molting. After 13 moltings, it develops into adult cockroach. So this type of metamorphosis is known as parametabolous. What is parametabolous? If the larva show several similarities, such larva undergo metamorphosis, develop into adult is known as parametabolous metamorphosis. So this is about development in cockroach. With this, I complete cockroach. In the next class, we discuss frog.